In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error that says server too busy to respond. This is a very common issue that can suddenly appear when you're trying to send or receive emails, sign in, or access Outlook through a browser. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed quickly with a few simple steps. I'll walk you through the easiest fixes first, and then we'll move on to slightly deeper troubleshooting if the issue doesn't go away. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The very first thing you should do when you see the Outlook server too busy to respond error is refresh the application or the browser you're using. Sometimes this error is caused by a temporary connection issue or a short traffic spike on Microsoft servers. After refreshing, wait for about 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. This may sound simple, but it often works because Outlook servers can get overloaded during peak usage times. If you're using Outlook on the web, the next quick fix is to open Outlook in Incognito or InPrivate mode. This helps rule out issues caused by saved cookies, extensions, or cached data. To do this, open a new Incognito or InPrivate window in your browser, go to Outlook.com, and sign in again. If Outlook works fine there, then the problem is almost certainly related to your browser data. If the error still shows up, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes. Go to your browser settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. From there, click on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you check Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Once those are selected, click on Delete Data and wait for the process to complete. After clearing the cache and cookies, close your browser completely, reopen it, and then try accessing Outlook again. Now, if you're using the Outlook desktop application and the problem continues, add-ins could be the cause. Add-ins can sometimes overload Outlook or conflict with server requests. To test this, disable all add-ins temporarily. Open Outlook, go to File, then Options, and click on Add-ins. At the bottom, select COM add-ins and click Go. Uncheck all add-ins, click OK, and then restart Outlook. If the error is gone, you can re-enable add-ins one by one to find the one causing the issue. Another very important step is to restart Outlook completely. Make sure Outlook is fully closed and not running in the background. You can check this using Task Manager on Windows. Once Outlook is closed, reopen it and sign in again if prompted. In many cases, simply restarting Outlook and re-logging into your account resolves the server too busy to respond error. If you followed all these steps, the issue should be fixed in most situations. Outlook server errors are usually temporary or caused by cache data, add-ins, or session conflicts, and these solutions cover all of those possibilities. If this video helps you fix the issue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.